What's up, guys? Crypto coming at you with a quick video. As before I get started, I just want you to see something. All right, take a look real quick. Take a look at this chart up, this Bitcoin chart. About a month ago, I had put in these trades. I had all this whole setup, right? And look at it. It broke out from this pattern, this triangle pattern, just as exactly as I predicted, and went all the way up. Guys, it's a 37% trade, right? I definitely, look at this. This is the video. This is the video, guys. It's called Technical Analysis Journal number 3. Bitcoin was going down at the time. This is what I mean. When the price is going down, you have to be willing to buy, because that's the only time that you're going to be able to maximize your profits. All right, so look at this. A future breakdown. I wouldn't go long. You have closed your orders like me, and I wouldn't go long unless you set a breakout. Guys, this is it. You see that? It broke out of the triangle pattern and it's gone all the way up. Exactly like I predicted it. All right? We're all the way up. So that's just to let you know. As position traders, it's all about patience. It's all about patience. Anyway, with that being said, guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to clear off this chart. We're going to go ahead and get started. All right. Let me get it here. All right. Let me see. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. We're on the daily chart, guys. By the way, on the daily time frame, we got a clear chart now, as you can see. Right, guys. Right now, if you go to the coin market cap and you look at the fear and greed index, you'll see we're pretty neutral. We're at 40, guys. This is still pretty fearful to me. This is still a time to be maximizing. All right, it seems like Bitcoin might be trading sideways right now, just by looking at this chart. All right, so you want to be accumulating during sideways price action. All right, you want to be accumulating, period, right now, really. But let's go ahead and look at some trend lines and see what we were working with. Okay, so we're already seeing a pattern here on the Bitcoin versus the US dollar. We're already seeing a trend line, a triangle pattern with these trend lines, right? So we're gonna go ahead and see what we're working with, right? Boom. All right, so as you guys can see, we're in this trend line pattern, all right? We got some support down here. We got some resistance up here. Lots of resistance, lots of support. All right, but it looks like we're trading within this trend line pattern. So we can be straight, yo. We're gonna play it a little safe. Boom, down to the bottom of the target now. All right, so if this trend line pattern breaks down, it's likely will come down to the $89,000 level. Now, if it breaks up, we're just measuring it out. Boom, right? Looks like we could go up somewhere around the $133,000 level. Not bad. Check off that support. Let's see what the Bollinger Bands guys are going. Ooh, we got a tight squeeze. That means we're gonna bounce. We're likely, or I won't say bounce, but we're going to break out. All right. We got a bullish cross on the MACD too. Very nice. Got a bullish cross. So, because of a bullish cross, guys, it means we're going to likely be going up, right? We got a tight Bollinger Band squeeze. The Bollinger Band squeeze like that, it's a nice thing. It means that there's a big movement coming. Right. So on the 4-hour time frame, it'll probably come down a little bit more to the $95,000 level, right? But it's a lot more likely to me that we'll go up to the $98,000 or $99,000 level. Basically that $100,000, right? Let's see what we got with the Bollinger Bands. I mean the Fibonacci retracement tool. So we'll take it down to the bottom of the trend line. And what I'm seeing is yeah, we could come down to around that 95, but we could also yeah, we can go down to 95, 93, but the upwards target is 98, 99,000. All right, so at some point we're gonna have to come up there. And it might be sooner rather than later, guys. Slight downward action maybe. So I would be buying in on these candlesticks. Or at least you guys could be setting up positions. So like you could put a long position at the $96,000 level, right? Oh, that's a short. I'm sorry. Put a long position at the $96,000 level, right? Because from there, we'll likely at least come up to the 98. That's a 1.99% jump, guys. All right, let's say you have a, I don't know, let's just hypothetically say you have a $5,000 position, right? You want to put in, all right? And you're going to do that times a 5x. All right, so it's looking like you're trading with $25,000. $25,000 plus that 1.99%, guys, you're going to get, you're going to make at least $400 to $500, all right, off of this trade. It's on the 4-hour time frame, guys. So this trade will go in a couple of days. Remember, we are position traders, all right? So if you guys are looking for a trading opportunity along, you can go there. All right, if you want a short position, let's see. So ideally, I mean, would I short right now? I mean, you can, but if you're gonna short, guys, I would freaking see, yeah, because we could definitely come down to the 95, like I said. Just make sure you put in those stop losses, guys. All right, and you can do 1 to 2 to 3 trades. You feel me? But don't expect every trade to make profit. All right, you put in a couple of trades and you be patient. You see this short is going down. This long isn't even activated right now. This wouldn't be activated right now. I just put it into position, a conditional order. That's what we're looking at, guys. You put in a conditional order, a long for 96,000. Once that hits, it's going to head up to around 98,000, guys. All right. You put in a short order right now at the $96,000 level, 96,311. Bitcoin is at 96,381. Once it goes down to that position, 96,311, your short will be activated and it'll start moving down. All right. Now, granted, all right, sorry about that. Anyway, granted, guys, I'm sorry, I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, we're gonna pull up some supports real quick just to see. All right, so yeah, if you put in a short, it could come down to the $95,000 level, 95, 94 even. All right, so put in 2 positions. All right, let's see real quick on the daily time frame. Wait a minute. Let me go back to the 4-hour real quick. This is the 4-hour, right? We're gonna use some, you don't need a lot of indicators up, guys, but it is good to identify your support and resistances. All right, I like to use Fibonacci retracement tool as well as Bollinger Bands. But yeah, this is gonna come down a little more, guys, potentially. All right, so you can make a small trade in here. If your short gets activated, that's 1.59%. So you're still gonna make around $400, something like that. All right. Yeah. Just waiting on that MACD to get us a bullish cross. All right, so like I said, it's gonna come down a little, but it's looking like it's ready to curve up. So that long will get activated. That's, to me, that is a guaranteed position. But we all know nothing is guaranteed. All right. So just put in your stop losses, guys. And if you don't want to use stop losses, just make sure you're monitoring it very well. Okay. Let's go and take a look at Kaspa. So Kaspa is looking a little wild. Hold on, let me clear this chart, guys. There's too much going on here. All right, we're on the daily time frame, Kaspa versus USDT. All right, if we go to the MACD, you see Kaspa had a bullish cross, is moving up, right? Yeah, we still got some upward motion right now. It might go down a little bit. You know, MACD can be a bit tricky. Stretched, its time frame is very stretched. But like I said, there was a bullish cross earlier. We're gonna go with the Bollinger Bands. Okay. So yeah, Kaspa is in a no man's area right now. All right, you can go down or up. Like we're right here bouncing off of this 0.9 cents, 0.09 cents level, right? Okay, so yeah, we're on a support right now, right? But we got some resistance up at the 11-cent level, all right? So it's really anything could go right now. It's no man's land. We're getting a tight squeeze. But Kaspa, where you want to just be buying and holding that shit, really. It's because of its fundamental values, its black DAG properties. Like it's the first of its kind. It's a no-brainer, fair launch. You want to be having some Kaspa. Right. We're just taking a look at some different trend lines real quick, guys. Okay. Interesting stuff we're looking at. Let's work with these trend lines. All right, guys, so we got triangle patterns. Right. You wanna identify your breakdown patterns. So from this pattern, it says if we go up, we'll break up to the 20-cent level. Nice. If we go down, we'll break down to the 1 cent level, which is possible, but I doubt that's gonna happen. All right. We got our trend line. Bollinger Bands. Yeah, guys, we're still within this trend line area. So if we come down, it's more likely we'll come down to probably that 8-cent level. All right, then we'll head back up towards that 11 cents, which is right up ahead. But it's looking like Kaspa's getting ready to just break at some point. All right, it's in a tight squeeze. It's a very tight squeeze. Let's see Bollinger Bands. Oh yeah, look at it. Guys, yeah, we can come down to that 0.096 level. We will still be in a healthy way. We could come down as far as the 0.092 cents, and it'll still be bullish because we're in the pattern. I mean, we're still in a healthy motion. All right. Take a look at this Fibonacci retracement levels. Taking it down to the bottom of the pattern. All right. What do we see? Well. We are battling that 10 cents level right now, guys. If we can break up above it, which I think we will. I think we will at some point. Once we break up above it, it'll be that 10 cent level will become the support, right? And then we're headed towards the 11 cent, right? And not just 11 cent, 11. It's like the 11.0, yeah, literally the straight, just 11 cent level. But because of this tight squeeze, guys, I think we can go up heavier. Because the Bollinger Bands are really tight. The MACD. Guys, Kaspa is trading sideways within this pattern. Until we break out of this pattern, you're not going to see any major moves. But we have plenty of space because we're somewhere at the bottom of this pattern, this triangle pattern. We have plenty of space to be buying in. Plenty of room to be buying in because there's plenty of space up here for us to like shoot up to at least the 12 cent level for now, 12, 13. But once we break out, guys, we'll probably get a small retest. We'll probably break out. Hopefully we'll break out past the 13 cent level, come down for a retest, and move back up towards the 20 cent level. All right. I think altcoin season is going to happen. It's going to happen for select coins, though. All right. It's very difficult to predict what's going to happen, guys. You can only go off your own research, not so much what everyone says. But based on my research, I know that even with all of this volatility, even with the markets trading sideways, we're going to have a lot of bullish momentum with the Trump administration welcoming crypto, and Trump himself saying he wants the United States to be the leading nation in AI and digital assets, cryptocurrencies. Guys, we're bullish in Kaspa'S digital silver. If Bitcoin and Ethereum had a baby, it will be Kaspa, guys. So you might as well just freaking get in now, because think about it, the dollar, not so much the dollar dying, but fiat is dying, right? So we're going digital one way or the other. All right, and you want to have the head start. And right now, Retail America has a head start, right? Bitcoin has already hit 100K, a little above it. What was it, like 106, 107? And still, people don't know what cryptocurrency is. BlackRock had an ETF. Still, people don't know what cryptocurrency is. The largest asset manager in the world came out with a Bitcoin ETF. And billions are flowing into crypto right now. And still, people don't know what it is. So when people finally do figure out what it is, guys, we're going to go way above 100K. We're going to go way above 200K. Guys, our price target is literally 2 million. That's my bullish case scenario for Bitcoin. It's $2 million. All right. So you need to be buying in and riding the wave. At least that's what I am. It's not financial advice, but this is what I'm doing. And so far, guys, my life has gotten better since I've been in cryptocurrency. Literally. Bitcoin is decentralized, guys. Get in. Kaspa'S, it's scalable, extremely scalable, right? It's decentralized. Had a fair launch. Come on, guys. Think about it. Think about Bitcoin. Decentralized as well. The most decentralized, the most secure, has been around for over a decade, right? No third parties can seize it from you like they can do real estate. A lot of people want to say, oh, real estate. Guys, all those taxes and fees, and then it's not even yours. They can come and take it at any point. Bitcoin is the ultimate digital property. You can't buy $4,000 into real estate every 2 weeks. That's not how it works. But with Bitcoin, you can do that. All right. So make sure you guys are buying in, guys. Look into these coins and buying in. You got your trades for Bitcoin. You got your you got Kaspa, your Kaspa targets, right? I would be recommending for Kaspa to be buying in the red, guys. It's a fire sale. We're going to just buy and hold it. Buy and hold it. We can go up from here heavily. We might be able to come down a little bit to the to the 9.7 cent level, right? Or the 9.2 cent level. It's a fire sale buy-in, all right? But hell, I will buy right now because our next upwards target is the 10.9 cents all the way to 11 as far as 13 cents, guys, all right? Right now, until we break out of this pattern, we have all of these targets, all right? And we're gonna hit every last one of them. All right, so you might as well buy in and make a little money on the way up. And when this triangle pattern breaks up or down, likely up because of the bullish environment that crypto is in right now, when this pattern breaks up or down, whatever, you'll have it in conditional order. So you'll make money whether it goes up or down, all right? Just put in your conditional orders, set your leverage, 3 to 5x leverage. Play it safe, guys. All right. We don't just make money off of trading. We trade because we understand the potential of what it can do for us. We understand the type of plays it can make for us, how quickly it maximizes money for us. But we have other areas that we make money. We don't just make money trading. We make money mining, right? We make money buying and holding, right? You need to have multiple plays. You need to have a long term, a medium term, and a short term, right? Once you get that in your mind, you'll always be a successful crypto aficionado. You will always be a successful crypto trader because your accounts are always funded. You have built businesses around crypto, and that's what I'm doing. Remember, guys, we are position traders. When it comes to trading, we're position traders. So we buy in, we hold, and we wait. All right. With that being said, guys, thank you guys for tuning into this video. I'm Crypto Commit. Stay tuned. I'll have more updates for you guys about the mining farm, and we'll have more technical analysis videos coming out. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
I love it, and I hate to leave her lonely. Ring, ring with the iPhone, it was my homie. He still is in Japan. If we can make him jam, we can make 100 grand. Spinning in the south of France, nothing further. I jump, grab my go-yard trunk, get ready to walk it out like Unk in my John Lennon chucks. That's when I heard murder. You're killing me, you're filling me with sorrow. Sunrise goodbyes and missing you tomorrow.